Hey guys! How about using these bright colors to make sea animals? This color is red. Can you guess what animal I'll make?
Yes!
I'll give you some hints. These animals have many legs and 2 large claws. They have a hard shell that protects them. And their eyes are on stalks that stick out from their heads. Right! This animal is a crab. Mr. Crab is very cool.
Wow!
He can walk sideways, forward, and backward. Next color is pink. Let's continue our guessing game. If this animal loses an arm, it can regrow a new one. Under its body, it has hundreds of tiny tube feet that act like little legs. These animals need salt water to live. They can't survive in lakes or rivers. Do you already know what animal we're making? I think it's one of the prettiest sea animals. Yes, it's a starfish. Some starfish have 5 arms, but others can have many more. Now, let's use this blue color. What animal is it going to be this time? What blue sea animals do you know? Well, this one is very, very big. One of the largest on the planet. It can live for many years, sometimes up to 200 years. That means loads of birthday parties. Some of these animals sing long and beautiful songs that you can hear from far away. Do you have any guesses? Another hint. It has a blowhole. A nostril on the top of its head. Right! This animal is a whale. Some whales jump out of the water just for fun. Next color. It's orange. What animal should we make this time? I've got an idea. Let's see if you guess what it is. These animals can be very different, tiny or giant. They don't have bones. Instead, they have skeletons made of something called cartilage. This material is similar to what's in your ears. Their skin is covered in tiny tooth-like scales that feel rough like sandpaper. This animal can have more than 20,000 teeth during its life. Imagine how much toothpaste it needs. And this animal is a shark. Sharks have many rows of teeth, and when one falls out, a new one moves forward. How about making something green? I'll tell you right away. This animal is not a fish. You probably already know what it is, right? If not, I'll help you. This animal has a hard shell that's part of its skeleton. It has no teeth, but it can use its strong beak to eat. Its shell is made of more than 50 bones. And this animal is a turtle. The shell grows with the turtle, so this animal never gets too big for its home. How about making something purple? Now, this one is an amazing animal. It has 3 hearts and blue blood. Also, as you see, it has many legs. Heh. Must be hard not to trip over one of them. This animal is like a superhero. It can change its skin color to hide. This animal is an octopus. The octopus has no bones. It's super squishy and can squeeze into small holes. We have one more color we can use. Yellow. This is one of the most unusual sea animals. It's super cool because its head looks like a hammer. It can see very well because it has eyes on the ends of its hammerhead. It also has super sharp triangle-shaped teeth that are like little saws. This animal is a hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark is pretty friendly toward people. Well, guys, our sea animals are super cool, right? But what if we add some shine? Just a few dollops of this sticky liquid. Gotta spread it all over our crab. We can't leave even a claw untouched. If we miss a piece, it won't shine. I think we're almost done here. Its whole body looks so sticky now, right? No worries, it just needs to dry. Next up, let's make this whale shine. It's a big animal, so we'll need more liquid here. Let's get down to work. The whale starts looking so pretty, even better than before. I'll cover its tail in every little detail like this fountain. What do you think, friends? Is it shiny enough? I'll add some drying magic. Next one, Mr. Octopus. It's gonna be tricky with all those long legs. We need to be very attentive not to miss anything. Time to deal with these legs. Have I covered these ones or not yet? I think it's all shiny now. Drying time. Oh, hey, hammerhead. Let's make you shine bright. No worries, I won't miss your cool head or your sharp teeth. Bet your friends will be surprised when they see how sparkly you are. The prettiest hammerhead shark out there. I'll leave you to dry. Making the starfish shine is gonna be easy. It only has 5 arms, not much else. Whoa! When you shine, you're even more beautiful. But will this make it harder for the starfish to hide? What do you think, guys? Drying time? Time to add some extra shine to our pretty turtle. I think this will also make its shell a bit harder. That's a good thing. It will protect the turtle better because its body is soft inside. Do you like how shiny our turtle has become, friends? I think it's very cute now. Once it's dry, we can play with it. Oh, our cheerful shark. I see it wants to become shiny too. You can relax. I'm a pro. You'll be as shiny as an icicle in January soon. Maybe this shark needs to get shiny because it wants to make new friends? Do you think it's a good idea, friends? I believe it might actually work. Once you're dry, you can go and look for new friends. Yay, the sea animals are pretty and shiny now. Crab. Why don't we play with it? A bit of ASMR. Wow! Ugh, it's very satisfying. Next one, octopus. I think it'll make some squelchy pops when I crush it. I was right. Do you hear it, guys? The whale. What will it sound like when I squish it? Let's check. Ah, it cracks and cracks and cracks. And the tail? Cracks too. The shark. Are you ready? Let's figure out what it sounds like. Might be one of my favorite ASMRs. Next, the turtle. It has a hard shell. Can I even squish it? Yes, I can. It's not that hard after all. The turtle is actually pretty squishy. How about this hammerhead beauty? Listen, it cracks, but I think its head will make other sounds. Yeah, it's softer. Nine out of 10. And the last one, the starfish. Listen. Huh, it's pretty tough, but still very satisfying to break.